Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, we are trying the Candid line product from Revlon. We have here their Revlon Photoready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. We also have here their Revlon Photoready Candid Antioxidant Concealer. And we also have here the Revlon Photoready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder. Before we proceed, I just want to tell you a bit about these products. The Revlon Photoready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation is a skincare-inspired foundation that's ultra-blendable, ultra-buildable, and infused with antioxidants, anti-pollution, and anti-blue light ingredients. What's out? Oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. The foundation has 12 skin tone matching shades available in the Philippines. The Revlon Photoready Candid Antioxidant Concealer is a skincare-inspired concealer that's ultra-blendable, ultra-buildable, and infused with antioxidants, anti-pollution, and anti-blue light ingredients. What's out? Oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. The Revlon Photoready Candid Anti-Pollution Setting Powder is a loose setting powder infused with antioxidants and anti-pollution ingredients. What's out? Oils, parabens, phthalates, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. This setting powder has 3 universal shades. So just to let you know guys, I have super dry skin. So let's check it out, how these products will work on my skin.
The shade of my foundation is 400.
The foundation is thick, and I'm not sure if this is going to work on my dry skin. I think it will work better for those who have combination to oily skin, I guess. But yeah, let's try it out, and who knows, it might work on my skin.
I'm using a damp sponge on the right side of my face.
This is the first layer of foundation on my face. What I can see is that this foundation has light to medium coverage, I guess.
And I'm using the Maybelline Master Brush on the left side of my face.
The foundation is easy to blend, which I really like. They also claim that their foundation will keep your skin feeling moisturized all day.
Now let's apply another layer of foundation on my skin.
what I can say is, even on the second layer of the foundation on my skin, it doesn't look cakey at all, which is good. Pero guys, nakikita yung parang dry patches sa skin ko. Pero yung coverage niya, okay siya. So, if you have dry patches on your skin, this might not be the foundation for you. It doesn't look dewy, I guess. For me, it's like a satin matte finish, I guess. Now, let's try their concealer. The shade of my concealer is 020. It has a doe foot applicator, perfect for applying to delicate eye area. This concealer has 8 skin tone matching shades available in the Philippines, by the way. If ever na hindi ko pa nabanggit.
I'm just using my damp sponge.
Let's apply another layer. The concealer easily gets dry, so you have to blend it right away. On the second layer of this concealer, it doesn't look cakey at all, which is a thumbs up for me. Now let's put it on the nose, forehead, chin. And now let's try their setting powder in the shade of 002. By the way guys, ilalagay ko na lang yung price nila sa description box below. Meron siyang sifter. So, aalis muna ako guys. Babalik ako later to check it out and to give you an update about this foundation. And it's now
3:37 in the afternoon.
A few moments later.
It's already 6:39 in the evening. It's been 3 hours since the first application without any touch-ups. So let's see how this foundation looks like. I'm not sure if it's the powder or the foundation that accentuated the texture on some area of my face. My skin doesn't look smooth already. It also creases under my eye area.
It also accentuated the fine lines on my forehead.
So yeah, I think this foundation is not for my skin type. Maybe this foundation will work better for those who have combination to oily skin, as I said. But for me, it did not turn out good as I was expecting. But the coverage did not change at all since the first application. So yeah, it did not turn out good on my skin. Maybe next time susubukan ko siya na walang setting powder, baka mas maging okay siya sa skin ko. At susubukan ko rin siya gamitan ng Revlon Rose Glow. This one. Abangan nyo to guys, gagawan ko to ng review. So yun guys, thank you for watching. Bye! See you on my next video.